Hey everybody, it's Michelle with Needlepoint Junction, and this is the crossover. This is the cross stitch. So I've put this in. I'm going to use a bigger thread than you're going to use, and I'm going to just put it to where I want to put it. All right. So there's your first one. I did not bring a laying tool with me in here, but that's okay. I'm not going to worry about it for the demonstration. So there's your first loop, right? And I'll make it smaller. Then your second loop is going to go, and I don't care whether you start horizontal or vertical, but your second loop is going to go the opposite way. As far out as you want it. So there's 2 loops. Okay, and I'm going to do a third loop just because I said that I would, but I'm going to take that loop in a different place. So once again, it's going to cross over those 2 other loops, and I'm going to bring it down. All right, so right now you have 3 loops, 1, 2, and 3, and they overlap each other. They can't stay there like that. So what I'm going to do is do yourself a favor, whatever you're using, whether it's a bead or a ribbon, this is going to come up in the center. All right, and it's going to stab each layer. It's going to stab each layer, hopefully in the center. Okay, I'm going to push this down. So there's where it is right now. I'm going to create just a French knot. I'm going to put it down in the same hole, or very close to it. It's hard sometimes. And you're going to hope and pray what just happened doesn't happen. But you can pull this. Okay, hold on. This came a little bit further than I wanted it to. But I think you get the idea. And it's just playing with it. And that is your crossover. So it's over, over, and that's going to give you 4 petals, all right? And then this will go directly in the middle, all right? Or you can go over, over, over as many times as you want. And whatever you do, what secures it and what brings it down, and you can play with your ribbon afterwards, is where this lands. I probably should have landed it a little further over here or pulled this. It's easier if you make your loops the same size, which I did not do, but that's what it looks like when it's done. It's usually not stuck to that either, but that's what it looks like.